Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Open the Health app on your paired iPhone and enable blood oxygen measurements for Apple Watch Ultra 2. This turns on data collection and permits on-demand tests. Make sure both Watch OS and iPhone are updated to the latest releases and that wrist detection is enabled. Fit the Ultra 2 snugly above the wrist bone with the back sensor flat against skin. A loose fit or tattoos can block light. For background collection, allow permissions when prompted and keep the watch on overnight to gather baseline SpO2 trends. Tap the Blood Oxygen app on Apple Watch Ultra 2 or add it to Control Center for faster access. On-demand tests deliver immediate SpO2 percentages. Sit comfortably with your arm relaxed and supported, keeping the watch snug and sensor contacts on bare skin. Remain still and avoid talking or moving for about 15 seconds while the test runs. When complete, the watch displays a percentage and a timestamp. Use the iPhone Health app to view trends and export measurements if you need to share them with a clinician. Interpret blood oxygen percentages as part of a bigger picture. Typical healthy readings range from 95% to 100%, while persistent measurements under 90% should prompt medical attention. Background measurements occur during sleep and periods of inactivity if you grant permissions in Health. Check trends in the iPhone Health app rather than relying on a single value. Improve accuracy by keeping skin dry, avoiding heavy motion, and ensuring a snug fit. Battery-saving modes or low charge can limit background sampling, so charge above 20% for regular measurements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.